Hello everyone. As you know, my name is Rex and I am your tutor, friend and guide for learning coding and other languages. So today we will learn about Java. Let's talk about what is Java. Java is a class-based high-level object-oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling and his friends in 1991. And as we know, Java is used by many developers now also and in past. But first we have to know why it was developed. So, two things makes it important. First, platform independence, and second is write once and run anywhere, which means we can write a code in one device and run it anywhere. I am talking about Java code. So let's move to its version. First version of Java, JDK 1.0, was released on 23rd January 1996 by Sun Microsystem. In this, we also need to learn about its syntax. In Java, first we have to know this is class, and we need to create at least one class in a Java program, and then class name. It can be anything, like when we will see the program where we print hello world, so there we will write hello world as class name. Let's move to next thing, the public static void main string argument. This is called our main function. It also called entry point of a program or application. Next is system.out.print. This help us to print whatever we need to print. Like if we write hello world, we will see that output in our terminal. In this, system is a predefined class and main is a predefined function or method. So let's move to next example and its rules. In this, first we need to learn about some rules. First, if we want to save Java program, we have to write the class name .java, and in this, if there is one class, we have to save the name. So we have to save the file with same name as the class name, and in this, for compilation, we write java c class name .java, and for its execution we then write java and class name. Let's see the example of this. First example, let's see our first example. As a beginner, you seem confused about all the things, but with patience you can learn everything step by step. So in this program, as you can see, it's a simple hello world program which we write as a developer. So first we see the public class hello world, then we see our main function. As I said earlier, it is the entry point of our application, and then we see our print function where we write hello world. And if we talk about its output, then we see a simple hello world in the terminal. You can use any text editor like Sublime text editor for coding Java. Let's talk about some important points here. First is class. Every Java program must have at least one class. If the class is public, the file name must match the class name, and if it doesn't match, then there will be an error. So don't do that. As I said, main method is the entry point of the application. Here we know we have to write public, static, void and string argument. In this, public allows us to access method from anywhere, and there are some other access specifiers also, like private, default. I will tell you about those specifiers next time. Let's talk about static. This method can run without this help us to run any method without creating an object. Next is void. It's a return type and it doesn't return any value. Next is string argument. String is a, you can say that, data type, and it accepts command line arguments. Last but not least, system.out.println. As you can see, in this, system is a built-in class which is taken from java.lang package, and out is a static member. So last thing is println. This method helps us to print anything that we write in these brackets. And remember that if we don't write this semicolon, we get an error. So always cautious while writing code, because some silly mistakes can give you some silly errors. So friends, that's it for today. We will learn new things or new programs of Java next time. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.